I can't tell you how many times I've gotten calls from clients, friends, and family members when they receive that document in the mail from their auto insurance company because they have no idea what it means. Well, that document is called an insurance declaration page, and it outlines all the coverages you've purchased through your auto insurance company. What we're going to do here today is go through a sample declaration page so you can better understand those coverages. As you will note, in the first entry here on this declaration page is the bodily injury coverage. And what that covers is it covers you in case you caused an accident and someone else in that accident is injured. This particular policy carries coverages of $250,000 per person or $500,000 per accident. That means if one person is injured in an accident, they are covered up to $250,000, or if there's multiple people injured in the accident, they are covered up to $500,000. The second entry here is the property damage coverage. This particular person has $100,000 to cover themselves in the event that they cause an accident and the other car suffers property damage. The most interesting part of this person's coverage is that they've chosen to reject uninsured motorist coverage. They have $250,000, $500,000 to protect the other drivers on the road with their bodily injury coverage, but they have $0 to protect themselves in the event that they are hit by somebody who doesn't have bodily injury coverage or not enough bodily injury coverage to cover their injuries and pain and suffering. I can't tell you how many cases I've had over my career where the person is injured and they don't collect nearly enough money for their injuries because they've chosen to reject uninsured motorist coverage. The entry underneath the rejected uninsured motorist coverage is the personal injury protection, also known as PIP. The PIP coverage relates to Florida being a no-fault state and is the only coverage required by Florida law to be included in every automobile insurance policy sold in the state of Florida. Unfortunately, PIP only covers 80% of medical bills from an accident up to $10,000, which means that 20% of your bills are not covered at all, and anything over $10,000 comes from your own pocket. The last coverage I'd like to bring your attention to is the rental reimbursement. This particular person has $900 in rental coverage, meaning he or she can rent a car up to $900 while their car is being fixed. Don't wait for your insurance renewal date to make sure you have the right coverages. I am happy to give you free advice regarding your current policy so that you and your family are properly protected.